Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Gate.io. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now on Gate.io application or on desktop version, it's all the same. You can buy cryptocurrencies by trading. And as you can see, you can trade it with USDT mostly. So that's what I suggest you to do. What you want to buy is USDT. So to buy it, you're gonna go ahead and be on exchange option here. And where it says total assets, you're gonna see an option, a quick buy. If you want to just deposit it, choose a deposit option and on-chain deposit and send USDT from some other exchange like Binance or Bybit and so on and so forth. Now you're gonna choose quick buy. And at the top, you see USDT. So once you click on it, you can go ahead and buy all of these options. So it really depends on which fiat you will choose. So for example, if you would do euros, you will see that you still have a lot of currencies you want to go ahead and buy. Probably the best would be to just buy USDT and then trade it. So for example, let's go ahead and write down 100 euros, click buy USDT. Now you will have an option debit credit card, Apple Pay, and bank transfer. And also some third-party channels like debit card, and you can see how much you will receive. So sometimes third-party option is really a great option, and you have the best price with it. So after that, you're just gonna click buy now, and that's pretty much it. Now, once you will have USDT, you can go ahead on the trade option here and find your currency which you want to go ahead and buy. So for example, let's go ahead and try to buy a Bitcoin. So if you want to buy Pepe and you have USDT, all you will have to do is enter the amount you want to buy and click buy Pepe, and that's it. Then you will see it on your assets. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.